we're leaving the hotel district to enter the jungles of Tulum. Well, that is an entrance.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you for coming to Casa Xolo. Lovely to meet you.
Nice meeting you as well. So what do we have in store?
First off, I think I should go put some clothes on. And I think we should probably join Jeremy inside and have a delicious Mexican meal.
You had me at delicious meal, 100%. Yeah, I must say, your entrance out of the pool, very James Bond.
Yeah, I'm not sure we get James Bond at 60, but I'll take the compliment. Thank you.
Part of our experience at Private Villas Mexico and Casa Xolo, of course, is not only to have these beautiful spaces and beautiful villas, but it's about really creating an experience for our guests that they can really remember. And I think part of that experience is really our complimentary chef service that comes with every property. We really have the best trained chef, not only in terms of food quality, but in terms of presentation and really giving that essence of Mexican food, because that's really important in this country. It's a big food culture, and I think it's really important to share that with our guests and really bring an experience that they'll remember.
We're eating very Mexican food, but off my grandmother's wedding china, which is from Wedgwood and has lasted 120 years. So there's a lot of Mexican in this house, but there's also a lot of English in this house.
You, sir, your swag.
What's your story? I was brought up on an island. I had very, very strict parents who said, we're not giving you a penny. And I had ambitions. And my ambitions were always to just keep on learning and keep on doing new things. I never thought when I was 50 years old that at 55 I would end up living in the jungle in Mexico. But when I embrace something, I embrace it full on. This house literally has got stuff that was in my flat in Paris 8 years ago, or stuff that was in my flat in New York. And it's just got so many memories of my life and of my family and of my happy times with friends that I love. To me, it's the first time I brought that all together in this house. I wanted to have a guest house because I love having people stay. I want them to go to their rooms. Yeah. So you've got to make the rooms perfect. They've got to have TVs. They've got to have music. They've got to be beautiful beds. And then in the main house, they put the gym. And then I've never been a believer in sort of separate dining rooms. So I decided, for instance, to have this big living room, but then have a staff kitchen at the back. And I wanted to have this courtyard feel with the swimming pool in the middle because we live in a very hot climate.
So what were some of the key people that have made an impact here?
So I decided to name various rooms after English people that came to Mexico and became famous. One was Leonora Carrington, and then there was Edward James, and I found a man called Francis Rule.
That's so unique because what you're doing is, one, you're paying homage, but two, you have a story. I have seen a lot of houses. One thing I could tell is you have an eye for things that are unique and fun. It's the art, it's the little pieces, it's going to the bathroom and even seeing the sinks as ornate as they were. What are some of your hidden gems?
My hidden gems are probably the fountain that's got serpents and skulls and everything. It's so different to the brutalism of the architecture of the house that I love that. But also in the second bedroom, there are these marble sinks with spikes coming out.
This is the type of home that I love. It's thoughtfully designed, it's classy, and this house is perfectly set up for entertaining on all levels. Kudos to you. All right, gentlemen, to the friends we have, to the friends we've lost, and the friends we meet along the way.
Thank you.
Cheers.